That's safe now.
Okay, one thing that often happens on Lake Macquarie is happy hour. Say hello, Vanessa.
Hello.
Oh, no, good luck.
Hello, Mark.
Hello, Derek. How are you?
Oh, there's the wife. Hello, Leanne.
Hello, darling.
Hello, Linda.
Cheers, Derek.
Hello, Joan.
Hello, Furry Derek.
Don't
Chris.
talk to me about red
Chris.
wine.
Don't talk to you about wine,
Red wine.
especially those who pass out on jetties spread-eagled like Jesus Christ.
That must have
And
been
the
a good
proud
one, Chris.
owner of the new boat is Gangley. How are you,
Oh,
Gang?
good. How are you, Derek?
Mate, it's a lovely boat.
Race. We enjoy
Can I take the people for a view?
Oh, yes, of course. It's yours.
Let's go for a view of the boat.
Just didn't do any good. That was
And don't forget the raising headrest on the main bed, Shulan.
That's the snort
Now,
adjuster.
now, Gang, what is it?
What is
The boat.
Catalina.
Catalina 355?
How long have you had it?
1 week.
1 week?
His new baby.
1 week?
It's all fantastic lady, yeah?
On the same day, we bought it back.
How about that?
Here we go. Inside the new boat. Wow. Look at this.
Look at that.
And here's the proud lady of the boat. Shulan, how are you?
I'm well, thank you.
Are you happy with her?
Very much lovely, beautiful.
This is
As beautiful
gorgeous.
as me.
No, you are more beautiful.
You're always sweet, Derek.
I'm not sweet. Look at this. Wow. Hidden behind a smoked screen.
Yeah, look at that.
That is superb.
-8 amps.
That is brilliant.
Hey, isn't it?
That's very neat. Nice map table there. Fusion radio, Ray Marine VHF,
Those speakers.
Bose speakers. Let's have a look at those. Oh, I like the flowers, Shulan. Very nice.
Yes, that's my
Oh, look at
favorite
this. Look, 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 look,
And
look at
the
this.
leather upholstery.
orchid.
Oh, how superb. An opaquing of the window. Porthole, I should say, shouldn't I?
You should.
This is excellent. Oh, you've got paper towel holder as well.
Yes.
The room for
Look at that bed up
25
front. Take a look at the bed up front. And the red mood lighting.
Wow, this is a nice V-berth. And a TV in here as well.
Yeah, I'm going to show you. Derek, there is a secret.
A secret?
And the boss, the captain wants me to show you. I will show you this.
This is the secret. Oh no! An electric bed. That's just decadence.
Is that wonderful?
Great for reading books of a night.
Yeah, watch television.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's fantastic. It's lovely. And I love the upholstery, Shulan.
Yes.
Very decadent.
Oh, my little corner. You have to see my little corner here too. Come have a look.
Let's have a look. Oh, very pretty. Very nice. And a nice mirror too.
Yes.
So this is like a little makeup table.
Yes, that's why I
You
say
don't
have to
need
look.
makeup.
Make me look even better.
And I can't believe that's possible. Oh, and the blinds?
Yes.
Yeah,
yes.
great.
Yes.
And
yes.
fly screens?
Yes. Fly screens. Yes.
That makes it comfortable in this mosquito-ridden summers that we have sometimes. That is, I love the panelling too. That wood slat panelling
Yeah.
really sets it off nicely, doesn't it?
Yes. Feel very kind of like classical.
Yeah, it does.
Lovely.
I like it. Very nice. And a nice splashback on the sink.
This table, you see this?
I love that table. Isn't that clever? Folds out lovely.
Yes.
That's excellent.
Yeah. Then can turn any way
And
you like.
can that fold down into our double?
Yes.
Excellent.
Yes. Then up mattress
And
there
this
too.
actually makes an excellent sea berth.
Yeah, there also is a coffee table.
Oh,
if we take this off,
my
and pick that
goodness.
one up, then that is a coffee table.
With a little drawer underneath
Yes.
for your chess set.
Yes.
Or mahjong maybe.
So we have a little.
Ah, the sippy glass.
Yeah.
Yeah, for gangs firewater, yeah?
Yes.
Excellent. Oh, this is just gorgeous, isn't it? And
Very
is this
good,
the head in here?
Yes. Go have a look.
Oh, wow, look at that. Glass bowl. Electric toilet. A nice little seat for the shower, which is supported above you there. Corian deck tops. Shower screen. This is beautiful.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
I like the engine box.
Yeah.
That's great. And this is
Yeah, there is other.
a spare cabin.
Yes.
Oh, that is gorgeous. Look at that.
Very dark.
Mood lighting as well. That's quite a huge berth.
Yes, it is.
That's really big. And lots of storage, Shilan.
The story about this boat.
Yes.
You mean the story why we buy it?
No, storage.
Storage.
Lots of storage.
Yes, lots of storage. Yes, yes. So there will be the wine cellar.
Ah, wine cellar. And how much space under the floor?
Lots. There is one. You want to see that?
Can we?
Yes.
Oh, wow, that's quite deep. Oh, the keel. Yep, it's
the
almost
water
like a
tank
mini
is all there.
skeg, isn't it? Water box there.
Yes.
Excellent. Valves, really good. God, you've got TVs in every cabin. That's just pure decadence again.
The one, like we said before, the one we sold,
So-
we don't have any television
So you can watch one channel and he can watch the other?
when we fight. So we
Yeah, you
watch
don't
our
fight,
own.
surely. Okay, I might take the people for a walk on the deck.
Okay. Thank you, Terry.
Thank you,
We
Shilan.
have to get the sail up and get the boat right.
God, it's a
over.
real
You had enough
through
of
the
it?
end.
It's a real party out here, isn't it?
Party earlier.
Pardon?
Party.
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 It is.
What do you
It's a
think, Mark? You like it?
fantastic boat.
It is. It's gorgeous and so clean. A credit. Let's take a walk on deck, people.
While you're there, Derek, you should pass the camera over this beautiful example of a 1970s Compass 29.
Now, we all know that the Compass is a sturdy and seaworthy
Yes.
boat.
Yes.
Quite a few of us have sailed offshore on that. And of course, better still is the Daler 34.
With the camouflage front with all the different coloured
Well,
paint.
you will continue to race it and bash into other people.
Yeah,
So
I know. Every time it gets smashed, it's got a different colour.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So here we go, up on deck. A very nice wide traveller. Great for easing the sheet.
So I told you before that I worked out.
The lines actually lift off the deck. Sheldon rod kicker. Doyle furling main. In-mast. And a Furlex Sheldon, is it? Furler. With a Sheldon, obviously a bowsprit attachment, so it must have a Code Zero or a Jenica that flies from the bow sprit. Nice anchor. Well, oh, that's quite deep. That's very deep down there. Hidden deck switches for the electric windlass.
Always are heavy, always. Yes, always was. And it makes a little bit of a difference.
And of course,
Sail differently.
gangs anchored here. There's Tamarare and Melanie in a pleasant anchorage. This is Styles Point. People on the jetty fishing. A fantastic boat ramp. Part of the old World War II Catalina flying boat, RAF flying boat base. And that's a leftover, which makes an excellent launching ramp.
Serious.
Camera yet?
As you can see, there's a couple of cats, a few yachts, little ducks swimming behind the boats, looking for scraps or tidbits. Oh, they're asking me if I want a beer. I think that's a silly thing to ask. I shall have to go and refresh myself, peoples. Thank you for your time. I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen.